Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to UDAAN Deepak YouTube channel and I am Deepak from UDAAN Deepak Academy, Keshapura, Hubballi. So let us now move on to discussion of most important, that is the all physics questions. I will be discussing all the 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 and 4 mark questions in this session. And you know that entire physics will come for total 27 marks into your question paper, and this is part A. So all questions related to this I will be solving now. Saurabh is there, Diksha is there, Surya, Manish, then I can see Gautam here, Darshan here, Tanushri, Purnima. Excellent here. So fast agi pen tagori, book tagori, ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಏನೈತಿ whatever I will be telling, so ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And maximum all the problems related to electricity ಆಯಿತು, related to light problems ಆಯಿತು, that one I will be solving in this session. Not only that, I will be solving the problems on light also. Okay, so not wasting much time, all the fixed questions will be covering up in this session. So fast agi enaiti navige start madbidona. So fast, yes. So let us now move on to what the solutions of 1 by 1. Yes, MKD, the Gajraj Aitu, Manish Aitu, Jagrut, Sohan, hi Soham, Bhuvan Banagar, hello dear. So yes, not wasting much time, we will be starting up with the solution of questions now. Yes, Shrees, yes, fast again new answers helkonta hogbeku. Abhishek Chikkodi, I am doing good. Today class aim is to get 27 out of 27 definitely dear. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ 27 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Yes, sir, can I get 20 plus? ಆರಾಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ತೈತಿ dear, because all the sums I will be solving and only the difficulty level questions I will be discussing in this session dear. Okay, so yes, electricity problems and light problems ಬರ್ತಾವು, but keeping the preparatory questions in mind, focus more on electricity problem only. Okay, so yes, fast agi Vinay, Gayatri, Gorpade ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. See, the type of lens used to correct the nearsightedness is myopia ಮತ್ತು hypermetropia ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ now. The type of a lens which is used to correct nearsightedness is nearsightedness means myopia. So myopia yes, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇನ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ. ಎಸ್, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಬಿ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಸಿ ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಸೈಟೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನಿಯರ್ ಸೈಟೆಡ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಜಶ್ವಂತ್, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಲಲಿತ್, ರೋಹಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಎಸ್. ದೀಕ್ಷಾ, ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸಂಜೀವ್, ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ, ಯು ನೋ ದ ನಿಯರ್ ಸೈಟೆಡ್ನೆಸ್ is what? Myopia, the type of lens which is used to correct nearsightedness, myopia, and the type of lens used here is what? Concave lens. Okay, see, I am wearing my concave lens because I am suffering from what? Myopia. So like this you should be able to answer the question. The right answer for question number 1 is what? It is myopia. The right answer is concave lens. Very good, Vinay, Harshit, gaming, then yes, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅದೀರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Coming to the question number 2 now, the rule that helps to determine the direction of magnetic field in the current state conductor is, in the current carrying state conductor is. Okay, so ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ what is the answer for first one. Second question, yes, fast ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the answer. ಏನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, yes, very good. Concave over here. Now second one, see the rule that helps to determine the direction of magnetic field. So for that we are having what? Right hand thumb rule. Nenapudkori right hand thumb rule, where thumb indicates the direction of current and wrapped finger indicates direction of magnetic field. Yes, those who are telling option A, it is the right answer. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಥಂಬ್ ರೂಲ್ is the question number 2. That is the right one. Now you will be getting the third one, the color of the sky from the surface of the moon. Now moon le sky ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ sky ಲಿಂದ moon ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರ what is the color of the sky from the surface of the moon? moon ಲಿಂದ sky ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ನರ್ಸಪ್ಪ, ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್, ವಿನಯ್ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ will be the answer for this one. The color of the sky from the surface of moon appeared as what? Yes, ನಾನು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ, ಕೀರ್ತನ, ಚಿನ್ನು, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ದ ಕಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಏನನ್ನ ಸಿಕ್ತು? ನಮ್ದು ಅರ್ತ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೂನ್, it looks what? Black. So nanapidkoli the color of the sky, because you cannot find the proper color. So the right answer is what? Black. So the right answer is the black one. Okay. Now the resistors of the 100 ohm are connected. See, the resistors of yes, here the 100 ohm are connected in parallel in a circuit. Then the number of resistors have to be connected in parallel. Yes, the number of resistors have to be connected to obtain 25 ohm as equivalent resistance. ನಮಗೆ 25 ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ resistance ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರ total resistance we need to get 25 ohm. Then how many resistors we need to connect? So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು resistors connect ಆಗಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಐತಿ. Let me know the answer. Narsappa is telling A, Mituja is telling A. Yes, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ A ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತೀರಿ. See the answer here. See, the resistors of 100 ohm are connected in parallel. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ 100 ohm, next ಇಲ್ಲೇ 100 ohm, then ಇಲ್ಲೇ 100 ohm. ಹಿಂಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. They have connected many resistors. Okay, they have connected many resistors like this. Okay, now how many should I connect to get what equivalent resistance of 25 ohm ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. See, the number of resistors to be connected in parallel 100 ohm to get equivalent. Yes, ಹೇಳ್ದಾರ್ರಿ. See here, number, you know, the number of resistors to be connected is 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 plus. So like this you should do. Okay, so you will get what 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So to get equivalent resistance of how much? 1 upon 25 na ಬರಬೇಕು. Why? Because to get the total answer, equivalent resistance is reciprocal. So how will you do this? N into 1 upon 100 is equal to 1 upon 25. This 100 you take here. N is equal to 100 by 25. So 25 ones are 25 fours are, sorry, 25 fours are, yes, 4. So the number of resistors to be connected in parallel are 4. So now 4 resistors parallel connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ equivalent resistance ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ? we'll get equivalent resistance of 25. See here ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 100 is how much? 4 upon 100. That is 1 upon parallel. 1 upon resistance is parallel. So 4 ones are 24, 25 are, therefore Rp is equal to 25. So ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಅದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ದಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಲಿ we will start up with more problems now. See, is it possible to connect? This one is a fixed question. ಇಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ವೋ. See here, is it possible to connect a refrigerator rated 1320 watt to a domestic circuit of 220 volt with an electric fuse rated 5 ampere? Clarify reason. See, yes bardri, no bardri, 1 mark. Okay, so fast agi ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, I am expecting the answer. Yes, see, is it possible to connect a refrigerator rated 1320 watt to a domestic circuit with so ಎಷ್ಟು ಪವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂತ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 1320 ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಈಗ ಪವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? P is equal to V into I. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ 220 ವೋಲ್ಟ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ is 5 ampere. 5 zeros are 0, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 1 11. So power is 1100. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ 1100 ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ ರೆಫ್ರಿಜಿರೇಟರ್ ಇಸ್ 1320. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್. Let me know, is it possible to connect a refrigerator 13202 to a domestic circuit of 220 volt and electric fuse rated 5 ampere? The right answer is wrong. No, the right answer is what? Illa, sadhyani illa. Because no, you cannot connect. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಪವರ್ 1100 ಐತಿ, ನೀವು ರೆಫ್ರಿಜಿರೇಟರ್ 1320 ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರ ಓವರ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಧಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಲಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ ಧಪ್ ನೀವು ರೆಫ್ರಿಜಿರೇಟರ್ ಹಾರ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹತ್ತಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ರಿ ಅದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಪವರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಐತಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1100 ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪವರ್. ನೀವು ರೆಫ್ರಿಜಿರೇಟರ್ 1320 ತಂದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಹತ್ತಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ದಾಟ್. ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್. ನಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಪವರ್, ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಈಸ್ less than that of required for refrigerator. Less than required for refrigerator. So nam less than required. Nam ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಲ್ರಿ ರೆಫ್ರಿಜಿರೇಟರ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಪವರ್ ಅಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. therefore we cannot connect. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಎಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 2 marks ಹೋತು ನೋಡಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆಪೇಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ. Yes, now coming to the next one. Now fast again on next one here. We calculate the power of convex lens with focal length 0 plus 0.5 meter. So if it is plus 0.5 meters, so let me know the answer for power of lens. So what is the power of lens formula? Yaar ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Power of lens formula in ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So now I am expecting the answer. Sir, please provide. Yes dear, I am providing the answers. Yes sir. Yes, what is the power of lens? The power of lens formula in ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? P is equal to 1 upon F. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? F. Okay, 1 upon 0.5. So 1 upon 0.5 is plus 2, and SI unit of this is what? Diopter. Very good, the edit. The right answer is what? 2 diopter ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. I hope you all are correcting. If you are finding this session helpful, I request everyone to put the thumbs up in the comment section. Let me know. Sania is there, Sham is there. Very good. The right answer is 2 diopter. Capital D ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. Reasons for overloading ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. When the live wire and neutral wire they come in contact, suddenly short circuit ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Due to the short circuit, what will happen is overloading will happen. So that is the answer you should mention. And when connecting too many appliances to single socket, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ? 3 pin ಸ್ವಿಚ್ 4 pin ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Too many appliances if you are connecting, that will lead to what? Overloading. That is the answer you should write. Now coming to one more problem now. Samasya. An electric bulb with a resistance of 50 ohm is connected to a 10 volt battery in an electric circuit. Calculate the electric current flowing through the electric bulb and electric power of that particular bulb. So now fast agi answer heli. So what answer can I expect now? Yes, let me know the answer in the comment section. Yes. So I am expecting the answer fast again. Answer comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ. Yes, Menaka, then SJ Vibes, Anish Belagaonkar. Yes, you are right. Yes, no. Shruti is there. Very good, Shruti. Very good. Priya Pavaskar got the answer as 5 ampere. Yes, others fast again namge answer ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. How much answer you can expect now? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. See, an electric bulb ಐತಿ with a resistance of 50 ohm. One resistance ಐತಲ್ರಿ? That resistance is how much? 50 ohm, and voltage is what? 10 volt. Calculate the electric current flowing through the electric bulb and power. So electric power and kelidare. So you should calculate electric current. See Ohm's law ellaru gottaiti nam ohm annadare, that is Ohm's law. Ohm's law is equal to V is equal to I into R. I is equal to V by R. V is 10, this is 5. R is 5, V is 10. So the right answer is 0, 0 get cancelled, 1 upon 5, that is 0.2 ampere is the current. So 5 R andiri, you have got wrong. The right answer is 0.2 ampere. Gayatri Corpade got the right answer. Saurabh, no dear. Yes, Chetan got the right answer. Very good, Chetan. Very happy that you all are solving. Excellent. Yes, 0.2 ampere. Rainer Singh, excellent here. Now they have asked power also. So what is the formula for power? Power formula यहाँ कंडिडितीरी. Yes, Ramadan Mubarak, Sahil Gaming, yes dear, a big heart, happy Ramzan and Eid everyone. So coming to the next one, power. Power formula is what? P is equal to V into I. V is 10 ohm. I is 0.2. So 1 decimal point forward. So P is equal to 2 watt. So power ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ 2 watt ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ power is what? 2 watt. What? 2 watt. What? 2 watt. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Yes. So I hope Ramzan Mubarak, Hasir Zayan, SDS, Sahil Gaming, a big heart. Yes, Charan. So now next ಹೇಳಬೇಕು Shilpa. Yes. Then next question ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So let me know the answer for next question now. See the next question. Resistors, this one I think we have done 4 ohm. Then an electric bulb with the resistance, just now we have done repeated. No. See, two resistors of resistances 5 ohm and 20 ohm are connected in parallel and connected to 12 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance in the electric circuit and total current flowing in this circuit. So fast agi nange answer helri. Two resistors adavu, they are connected in what? Yes, fast agi answer helri. Rudresh, Sharanu, Cuties. Yes, fast agi nange ನೀವು answer ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, then only people will connect to me. Yes, sir, why not reciprocal? Why? Dear, reciprocal ಬರಂಗೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, because the formula is V is equal to IR, I is equal to V by R. Dear, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಪುನೀತ್, yes. ಸೌರಭ್, ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, I am expecting the answer. ಯಾರು ನೋಡಕತ್ತೀರಿ? Sir, take my name, Tamil Selvan. Yes, dear. So Zayan. Now, two resistors of resistance 5 ohm and 20 ohm are connected in parallel. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 ohm ಮತ್ತು 20 ohm resistance ಏನದಾವಲ್ರಿ, ಇವು ಎರಡು ಎದೊಳಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಿ. This 5 ohm and 20 ohm are connected in parallel and it is connected to 12 volt battery. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 12 volt ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿಗೆ ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So, it is connected to 12 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance. So our total resistance is what? 1 upon Rs is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon Rp. So resistance in parallel, right? 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 20. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, 5 4s are 20, 21s are 20, it is 20. 4 plus 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, that is 1 upon Rp. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 5 by 20. So the reciprocal is your answer. So reciprocal ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. Rp is equal to 20 by 5. 5 ones are 5 4s are Rp is equal to 4 ohm. Yes, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, the right answer 4 ohm. So the total resistance in parallel is how much? ನಮಗೆ 4 ohm ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. Yes, and you have asked what total current. So what is the total current? Total current is I is equal to V by R. V ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, voltage is 12 and total resistance is 4. 4 ones are 4 5s are 4 3s are 12. So total current is 3 ampere. ನಮಗೆ total current ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ಹೇಳಿ, 3 ampere ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ current ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. I hope yes, Chetan got the right answer. Very good dear. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಶಿಲ್ಪಾ ಗಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಪೆನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಯು ನೆವರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್. Yes, Hazir Zayan, Tirakatitri, Bhuvan Bangar, Abhishek Chikkodi, very good here. Now coming to the next one, next question. See here, the three resistors R1, R2 and R3 have values 10 ohm, 20 ohm and 60 ohm respectively, which have been parallelly connected. You will connect madar ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. They are connected in which session now? They are connected parallelly. Okay, so I hope ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಿಳ್ಯಾತೈತಿ. First you should connect everything in what? Parallel da connect ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, ಜಯಂತ್ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಬೀರ್ ಸಾಬು ಲವ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಲವ್ ಯು ಡಿಯರ್. ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ ಗಾಯತ್ರಿ ದಗರ್, parallel. That means again same, this is 10 ohm R1 and this is 20 ohm R2 and this is 30 ohm. All three are connected in what? Parallel with what? 24 volt. With 24 volt edake enaitalri connect ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 24 volt. So what is the total resistance in parallel? Everyone knows the formula. Total resistance in parallel 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon 20 plus this is 60. Okay, I written wrong. 10, 20 and 1 upon 60. So 1 upon Rp. So what is LCM of 10, 20 and 60? So let me know the answer. Yes, so LCM of 10, 20 and 60 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ? So fast ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. It is 60 only. 10 6 are 60, 23 are 60, 61 are 60, 6 plus 3 plus 1. So 10 by 60 will come 1 upon Rp. Reciprocal will be the answer. Rp is equal to 60 by 10. So 10 get cancelled. So it is 6 ohm. So total resistance in parallel. So we got how much? Rp. Rp is equal to 6 ohm. Total resistance in parallel we got how much? We got it as 6 ohm. I hope ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದು ಬಂದೈತಿ. Yes. 6 sir, very good. Anish Balagavkar, Ryan Singh. So now fast answers ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the answer. So total resistance in parallel is how much? It is 6 ohm bandbidteti. Yes, very good. Yes, now next one you can see is the total current through each resistor kelidare. Ella resistor linda total current in the circuit ಮಾಡೋಣ. Total resistance we got it as 6. Total current ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. So the total current I is equal to V by R. V is 24 and R is 6. 6 ones are 6 4s are 24. I is what? 4 ampere. I is how much? It is 4 ampere. So total resistance current is 4 ampere. Okay, now you can see in each circuit. So current through I is current through R1. Current through R1 is what? I is equal to V by R. V is 24 and it is 10. So yes, after 24 by 10 is 3.4 ampere. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ current through resistance R2. So I is equal to V by R. V is how much? 24 by 20. So it is 12. It is how much? 2 ones are 2 2s are. It is 12 by 10. It is 1.2 ampere. Similarly, current through resistance R3. So I is equal to the third estate node is 60 by 20, 24 by 60. 6 10s are 60, 6 4s are 24. So 4 by 10, anything divided by 10 is 1 decimal point backward. So this is the current through each resistor. So the current through each resistor is how much? 2.4, 1.2 and 0.4. Okay, like this you should do. Manoj Huli is telling sir rainbow. Definitely dear, later I'll be explaining you the rainbow. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಯಾತೈತಿ. If you're finding this session helpful, I request everyone to kindly let me know in the comment section. Okay, so ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾವೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಮತಪಟ್ಟಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಾಕತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ Yes, yes. So next question we will move now. So fast again next session kade hogona. So the next question is, see the device which is used to change the resistance as many times in the circuit. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಂತ. Okay, so let me know the answer. The device which is used to change the resistance at many times in the electric circuit is, which is the yes, fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಒನ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಬಂಗಾರಪ್ಪ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ID ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಲೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತೀರಿ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಿ ದ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್. ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದರ ಹೆಸರು ಐತಿ. Everyone should know the another name of this. The another name of this is what? Variable resistance. Okay, this is also very much important. ಬಹಳ important ಆದ question ಇದು. Then the correct statement among the following related to concave lens. Concave lens ಹಿಡಿದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ? ಇಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಜಸ್ ದ ರೇ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್, it forms inverted image, diverges the ray of light, forms real image. So tell me the second one. Yes, Rakshita, fast answer ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಹರ್ಷಿತ್, ಮನೋಜ್, ರಕ್ಷಿತ್, ಬೆಲ್ಲಂ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Yes, illೇ ತನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ. I request everyone to kindly register for the UDAAN scholarship test, which will be on the 5th of April 2026. It is a offline third phase IT, and you can just message on to the given number 8123426450, the number which is given on the screen. Okay, so tappade register ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now coming to what? The next one. Yes. ಬಂತು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂತು. Tell me the answer. Very good. Everyone are telling what? Option D. You know concave lens is a diverging lens and it diverges the ray of light. So very good everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀರಿ. I am very happy that you people are really and literally enjoying the class. Now next one, the resistivity in ohm meter of 4 materials A, B, C, D are given 6.84, 10, then 10 raised to minus 8, 1.62, 5.2, 2.63 respectively. Which of these materials have very less electrical conductivity? ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಐತಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ A, B, C, D ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So less conductivity means what? Which is having more resistance. So ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 10⁸ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ we no need to worry. Which is having very less electrical conductivity means, remember resistivity ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು inversely proportional ಐತಿ 1 conductivity. That means conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. More the resistivity, less the conductance. So ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಡಾಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದೈತಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಡಾಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎ. So material A ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ, that is the answer. C for correct answer, because ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ dot number you will have least resistance. Option C is the right one. ನೋಡಿ, resistance is inversely proportional to conductivity. Manoj Uli gave the right answer. Very good Manoj. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಚೈತ್ರಾ, ಯುವರಾಜ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ. ಎಸ್. Now coming to the next one, see, draw the symbol of two cells that are connected in series in the ಎರಡು ಸೆಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಅವು ಯಾರು ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is how you should able to do this one. Okay, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಎರಡು ಸೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಕರಿಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್? ಈ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ lens is what? It is the center of the lens through which the lens has been formed. So like this you should write. Paper will be bit easy dear. You can able to solve all the questions thoroughly. So ಅಷ್ಟು difficult ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ. Now next one, the correct statement related to concave lens already we got to know. It diverges the light rays. The SI unit of resistivity ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೊ SI unit of resistivity ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಣ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದು. The SI unit of resistivity is what? Ohm meter. So what is SI unit of resistivity? SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter. The center of spherical mirror, mirror ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು, ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಆಪ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್, not the pole dear. Pole mirror ದಾಗ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Optic center will come in the lens. Shaun Fernandez, very good. So it is ohm meter. Resistance is ohm, resistivity is ohm meter. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? What is the answer? Ohm meter. Ohm meter is the answer. Yes. So like this you should be able to answer this. Excellent dear. Now coming to the next one. State two laws of reflection of light. So refraction of light are the two laws. First law is the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law is Snell's law. The ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction for given pair of media and for a given color, that always remains same or constant. We call it as what? We call it as law, second law of refraction. It is also called as Snell's law ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then the refractive index of a diamond is 2.42. Write the meaning of this statement. You know that the refractive index of this is a refraction. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42 means the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction. Yes, that one we call it as 2.42. That means the ratio of speed of light in air to the ratio of speed of light in diamond is 2.42 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay, that one. It means that refractive index of diamond is 2.42 times less than that of refractive index of air. ಅದು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಮನೋಜ್ ಹುಲಿಗೆ the right answer. ಅಥವಾ the ratio of speed of light in air is 2.42 times the ratio of speed of light in diamond. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಿಂಗ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆಟ್ 2F1 ನ ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1, 2, 3, 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟ್ 2F1 ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಟ್ ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ 2F1 ನ ಬಹಳ ಸಲ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೇ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. The device which is used to measure electric current. So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ the device which is used to measure the electric current is which one? It is the ammeter. So yes, tell me fast. The device which is used to measure the rate of current is ammeter. Ammeter is a device which is used to measure the rate of current. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಗ್ಯಾಲ್ವಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ supplies the voltage. So that is how you should able to write the answers for these questions. Okay, I hope you all are connecting to me. Next one nodri, observe the given figure, identify the eye defect. So which is the eye defect indicated in the figure? Fast ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ eye defect ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Yes, ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಅನೀಶ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವ್ಕರ್, ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಬೇಲನ್. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಐ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಬಯೋಪಿಯಾ, ಹೈಪರ್ಮೆಟ್ರೋಪಿಯಾ, ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಟರಾಕ್ಟ್? ಎಸ್, ನೋಡಿದ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ರೆಟಿನಾ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ಸೈಟೆಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಮಯೋಪಿಯಾ. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಿಯಾ. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Myopia is the right answer. Excellent everyone. Hemavati, Yuvraj, Yes, very Srinivas is there, excellent Shinu. Then a ray of light enters from rarer to denser medium, then the speed of light of that ray is it decreases and bends towards the normal, increases, bends away from the normal, decreases and bends away from the normal, increases and bends towards the normal. So let me know the answer here. Tomorrow live class definitely dear. Other topics I will be connecting up. So ನಾನು fast ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್? ಮೈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಹುಬ್ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಡಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಉಡಾನ್ PU Science and Commerce College, new upcoming college at Hubballi. It is Oxford College campus, Oxford College Kusubal Road, Keshapur, Hubballi ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಡಿಯರ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಇತ್ತು ನೀವು ಬಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇನು ಅಭ್ಯಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ when the ray of light traveling from rarer, suppose this is rarer medium and this is denser medium, when the ray of light travel from rarer to denser, it moves towards the normal. The ray of light moves towards the normal and the speed decreases. So the right answer is what? Decreases and bends towards the normal. So that is the right answer. Excellent dear. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Then only you will get prepared with this topic. Okay, then coming to the next set of question now. The state Ohm's law ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, but on see Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. So the potential difference across the ends of a given metallic wire is directly proportional to the resistance provided temperature remains same. And on what factors resistance of a conductor depends? The resistance of a conductor depends on length of conductor, area of cross section of conductor, then material of conductor and the temperature. Okay, like this you should be able to solve up. Then Joule's law, H is equal to I square RT. How is fuse connected in the circuit? So ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ fuse ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Fuse is always connected in series with the circuit. Name the metal used in the filament and the gas filled in the bulb. The metal used in the filament is which one? The metal used in the filament is tungsten and the gas filled is the nitrogen, inert gas such as nitrogen. The gas filled is the inert gas such as nitrogen. That one you should write. This problem already we have solved previously. Now symbols for rheostat, wire crossing without joint. What does the thumb? So ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್. ಸೊ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೀವು ಏನಾಯ್ತದೆ ರಿಯೋಸ್ಟಾಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Wires crossing without joint, the wires are crossing, you can do like this. Okay, so like this you should be able to do. Now what does the thumb in the right hand thumb rule indicates? So thumb in the right hand thumb rule, what does the thumb indicate? So thumb indicate, yes, very good. The thumb indicates yes, so it is the thumb indicates what? The current, electric current. Okay, direction of current and baribeku, because thumb indicates the direction of current in the right hand thumb rule. ನಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡಿಯರ್, ಜೂಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥಂಬ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಗೈಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, light enters from air to the benzene having a refractive index 1.5. Calculate the speed of light in benzene. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಐತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Light enters from air to benzene. So from rarer medium to denser medium, light enter ಆಗಕತ್ತೈತಿ. So see the refractive index. So this is refractive index. N is equal to C by B. C ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, speed of light in air is C. N is 1.5 and V is what? Benzene. So V is speed of light in benzene. So in ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ತಗೋರಿ So we speed of light in benzene is equal to C by N. C is what? The speed of light in air, that is 3 into 10 to the power of, ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಲೆಸ್ ಹೌದು ಡಿಯರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, but you should calculate and you should let the answer. So it is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 divided by 1.5. 1.5 ones are 2s are, so velocity speed of light in benzene is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So the right answer is 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So like this you should write. So Spider-Man has come now, a very good Spider-Man. Then no blaze. I hope you ತಿಳಿತು. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. N is equal to C by V. N is refractive index is equal to speed of light in air divided by speed of light in medium. So ratio of speed of light is very good. Harshit, he gave the right answer. Yes, like this only you should able to solve all the questions properly. Then a concave lens has a focal length 12 centimeter. At what distance should the image be? What distance should the object from the lens be placed so that it forms an image at 9 centimeter from the lens? So image 9 centimeter ದೂರ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಶೈಲೇಜಾ ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. Then ಹೇಮಾವತಿ, then Aditya, tell me the answer dear. See, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್? ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ U ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ V. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ V. ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ concave lens as a focal length. So focal length ಎಷ್ಟೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? F. Focal length is 12 centimeter minus ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Why? Because it is a concave. At what distance the object ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? If the image at 9 centimeter, so image is also minus 9 centimeter. So lens formula, so you should use which one now? Lens formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what is lens formula? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? Lens formula is 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? 1 upon F ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So that is the formula you should know. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So lens formula 1 upon V. V is taken only 1 upon number 1 upon V is this one you transfer, this one you transfer here. 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is 1 upon F. So 1 upon V is 1 upon minus 9. Then 1 upon minus 1 upon F. This is focal length, this is F. Minus 1 upon 12 is equal to 1 upon U. The minus sign ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋರಿ, minus into minus plus 12 ತಗೋರಿ, 1 upon U. So 9 and 12 LCM is how much? So 12 5s are 60 ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, 12 6s are 72, 9 8s are 72, 72. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ? 9 8s are 72, 12 6s are 72, ಅಥವಾ 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36. So 36 is what? LCM. So you have ಬರೀತೀರಿ minus 4 plus 3 divided by 36 is 1 upon U. So minus 1 upon 36 is 1 upon U. U is equal to minus 36 centimeter. So U is minus 36. Directly we got the answer. Vivekanand got the right answer. Very good dear. So all the questions very good. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಹಿಂಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಬಾಸ್ very good dear, excellent. So minus 36 ಹಿಂಗ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. Now coming to the next set of question. See ಇಲ್ಲಿ already solved ಐತಿ. Two resistors 1 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in parallel in the circuit. The total current flowing in the circuit is 1 ampere. Find the amount of current flowing through each resistor. See the total current, our the total current is 1 ampere. Find amount of current flowing through each resistor. So total resistance first node is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. You will get total resistance in parallel is 0.75 ohm. Then potential difference V is equal to I into R. Current through 1 first ampere. Current through 1 ampere is V is 0.75. The volt barbeku. Okay, here it should be volt. So this question is very important. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ 0.75 volt, 0.75 1 is 0.75 and V by R 0.75 by 3 0.325 ampere. Okay, so like this you should able to solve this one. Then name the type of mirror used for the following. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Okay, virtual and larger than the object. So which image should be used? So yes, fast again you answer helbeku, then only you will understand. Okay, so now yes, I am expecting the answer. So yes, sir, model question paper ಮತ್ತೆ preparatory LBA ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದಬೇಕು ಡಿಯರ್. ಹೌದು. ಸೊ ಸರ್ ವಿತ್ 4 model paper option will be there. ಹೌದು ಡಿಯರ್, no issues, you will be there. ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. See here the mirror ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. which type of mirror ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಿರರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ virtual and larger than the object is first one concave mirror. Second one virtual and smaller than the object is convex mirror. Then virtual and same size of the object is what? It is concave. Same size ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾನ್ವೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್. ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಐತಿ ಮತ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಐತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ. So like this you should know where should an object be placed. So if you are very good with the ray diagram, I expect you to tell me the answer for this one. Where should the object be placed in front of concave mirror? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ. ವೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್? ಸಿ ವೇರ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಟು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ರಿಯಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಬೇಕು, ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ವೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್? ಎಸ್, at focus it at infinity you will find here no place wrong. First real irbeku larger than the object, real beku larger than the object. Where should principal focus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಾಕ್ ಬರಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. You will get large, real larger than the object, real image. Yes, between ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಇಡಬಹುದಾ ಡಿಯರ್? ಎಫ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಡಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿ ಎಫ್ ಪಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಾವು ವೇರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್? ರಿಯಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ because you will get here real, and between C and F, this is the first one. Second, virtual and larger than the object. Virtual ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಡಬೇಕು. Between C and P, between C and P. And real and same size of the object. Real ಇರಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ C ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. So the right answer is at C. So like this you should able to answer the 3 question. Real and larger than the object, virtual and larger than the object, real and same size of the object. So like this you should tell. Okay, so another story we got from it's Prati 19. Not just a teacher but a hand to hold, a heart so kind, a soul so bold. In every struggle you helped us stand with quiet strength and a guiding hand. Very beautiful story. A small poem written by its Prati. Every time in the live class he manages to encourage and motivate us through this type of encouragement and small poetry. Is very happy to see a creative person on the screen today. Not just a teacher, but a hand to hold, a heart so kind, her soul so bold. In every struggle, you helped us stand with quiet strength and a guiding hand. Very good, dear. Very happy to see. Yes, sir states two model paper, two preparatory, ella preparatory paper. Odlebeku, dear. You don't be having any other option. Okay. First one between C and next, draw ray diagram. So between 2F1 and F1 between the lens. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. Then what are the functions of fuse and earth wire? Fuse, it prevents the damage to the appliances and electric and the circuit due to overloading. Earth wire, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, it protects us from the electric shock in case of leakage of current, especially in the metallic body appliances. So like this you should write. Okay. So next question. Reasons for overloading, you already know. When overloading can occur when live wire and neutral wire comes in direct contact. Overloading can also occur due to accidental hike in the supply voltage. Overloading is caused by connecting too many appliances to a single socket. Okay. Yes, blueprint prakara bartiti, dear, but the problem with the science is what? Blueprint is only for namesake, because all 1, 2, 3, 4 mark questions even they will come for 4 mark, because every question for 3 and 4 will be a sub question. 3 mark, 4 mark and 5 mark questions will have A, B, C. You will be expecting what? The sub questions. Okay. So yes, so nim nanapidbeku ade riti ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕು. Okay. So Harshit telling teaching is a passion who takes us to succeed and fashion. Okay. That next, describe an experiment conducted by Newton to explain dispersion of light. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, to explain dispersion of light, this diagram you should know. So he took 2 glass prism. He tried to split the color of spectrum of white light further by using another similar prism. However, he could not get any more. He then placed a second identical prism in an inverted position with respect to first prism. This allowed all the colors of the spectrum to pass through second. He found a beam of white light emerging from other side of second prism, and this observation gave Newton the idea that sunlight is made up of 7 colors. Okay, this experiment you should know. And for 3 mark fixed diagram, because ಈ ಸಲ blueprint ಪ್ರಕಾರ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ, ಮಿಷನ್ 40 ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಗದ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಿಷನ್ 40, ಮಿಷನ್ 30 ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್? Focus more on the uplifting of your marks for your examination, dear. Okay. So Rekha sir, 1 minute, see this message, sir. Yes, dear, I am looking. Okay. Nile nodri, convex lens it is. When the object is kept at 2f1, the image is formed at 2f1 only, real and inverted. Ellaru ray diagrams amna andagi chandagi nodkondu hogbeku. Example ni fix ray diagrams ಏನೈತಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. Then when the image is beyond 2f1, then similarly when the image is between 2f1 and f1, between bantu, so nodri illi between 2f1 and f1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲಿ larger than the image you will get. Okay, Shakil Begum, love you sir. Yes dear, love you more. So ellargu tumba preeti, my prayers are with you all. Then you can see when the image is at object is at f, the image formed is at infinity. Okay. Then when the object is between f1 and o, the image is formed beyond 2f1. Okay, like this you should know here. Next, yes, when the image is at infinity, the image when the object is at infinity, the image is at the point. Okay. Then mirror ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, when it is when the beyond c ಐತಿ, c ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಐತಿ, the image formed is smaller. That means the image is diminished. Similarly, when the image ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಆಡ್ಸಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಮಾಡಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ 4 ನೀವು DIY ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ ದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ KSEAB ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, and at f infinity and at p, between f and p nodri the image will be formed behind the mirror. Okay, so next, these registers are series. Again, it is a fixed question. Everyone should definitely follow this. Registers in series question aitalla idellaru ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sir, at least tell us if we should read the old textbook for about Spider-Man. Yes dear, so this Spider-Man gatena question ಕೇಳಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ. Sir, we should read entire textbook for 80 out of 80. ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ dear, ನೀವು textbook ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓದ್ಕೋರಿ. ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Yes, so yes, it spreads one more I can see here, very good. No classroom walls yet you inspire lighting. Yes, very good poetry again from its spirits 19. No classroom walls yet you inspire, lighting in us a learning fire. With every lesson strong and true, we grow a little all because of you. A big heart to you dear for such a lovely poetry. I just repeat so that even I can recall it later. No classroom walls yet you inspire, lighting in us a learning fire. With every lesson strong and true, we grow a little all because of you. So very lovely and very mesmerizing poem written by its Prati and 19. Very good Prati, very talented girl I have seen here. The person here, very good, very, yes, grade 1 STPU, love you sir. Yes dear, big heart to you all. Yes, now you can see registers in parallel. ಪ್ರೀತಿಲೇ parallel ಅದಾಗ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ. Parallel means what? Step 1 above other ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, then this question is fixed and ಇದರ related experiment ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, experiment related to this only will come. So the experiment ಐತಿ. See, explain the experiment of the field lines of a magnetic field around a state conductor carrying current. These are the arrows in the circle show the direction of magnetic field. E diagram fix barditi from magnetic effect of electric current. Everyone should practice this thoroughly. Okay, then you can see, draw the diagram to represent the recombination of spectrum of white light. Later, previously the one which I have shown, that one. And you can see violet bends the most and the red bends the least. This bending most and bending least you should able to do. Compass needle, that also has come in previous preparatory. Adu kai bidbardu, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಓದಬೇಕು, ಅವ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸರ್, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 80 out of 80 ವಿತೌಟ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ LBA? ಹೌದು ಡಿಯರ್, ಯುವರ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ವರ್ಷ LBA ಬಂದಿದೆ ಡಿಯರ್. ಓವರ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ LBA ನ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, LBA ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಮ್. ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು understand LBA but don't depend directly on LBA dear. Okay, so like this you should do. Yes, now coming to 1 mark question, and in physics 1 mark question, these are fixed. And when you are solving this, remember electric cell inkirtiti, battery or a combination of cell, 3 cell kudi one combination of cell ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. So this one you should do. Thank you for giving guidance, very good dear. So yes, thank you Beena is there, very good Beena. Now next one you can see, here is what plug key or switch, open switch, then it is a closed switch. This is a wire joint, wire crossing without joining. electric bulb ಐತಿ, register ಐತಿ, then rheostat. Okay, this one fix ಇದ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ammeter ಮತ್ತು voltmeter. This one is very much important. What all here I am highlighting are most important, and you all should be doing. Sir, when the green color is passed through a prism, then which is the color on the screen? D. Vivekanand is asking. The color of the screen will be green color only, dear. Tell me why? Because only white light splits into 7 colors. Green light, it won't be getting you the color, dear. So green light ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಿಸಮ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸಕತ್ತೈತಿ, and this is the one which I am holding here is what the lights here. So you can see red color ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ನನ್ನ ಕೈಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. You can see red color because red color will not split into 7 colors here. Only yes, I hope you can see. ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸಕತ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ದು ಅದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಡಿಯರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್, ಈಗ ವೈಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ 7 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ, ಲೈಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ 7 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವಲ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೇನ್ಬೋ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ರೇನ್ಬೋ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ 7 colors you can see properly. Okay, so only white light splits into 7 colors. Other colors red ಆಯ್ತು, blue ಆಯ್ತು, green ಆಯ್ತು, pink ಆಯ್ತು. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನದಾವಲ್ರಿ they will give their own colors only. Okay, that is how you should able to understand the concept properly. Okay, so next numericals just now we have solved. So ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, I will not be solving. If you don't understand, let me know here. Okay, see here, a current of 0.5 ampere is drawn by filament of electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through it. Electricity problems are most important, and 90% electricity problems will only come. So ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ, electricity problem ಅನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾವು. Okay, now see I is equal to 0.5 ampere, then time is 10 minutes and you should convert it into second. You will get what? You will get 600 second. Q is equal to I into T, so you will get 300 coulomb. Then how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having potential difference 12 volt? Then you should know the formula. Work done is equal to voltage into charge. W is equal to V into Q. 12 2s are 24 joules. Then the potential difference between terminals of electric heater is 60 volt. When it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source, what current will be the heater draw if the potential difference is increased to 120? ಈಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಮತ್ತು ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ 60 ಇತ್ತು, ಕರೆಂಟ್ 4 ಇತ್ತು, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ V by I 15. If the potential difference is increased to yes to double ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ವಿ, then what has happened? I is equal to V by R. 120 by 15 is 8 ampere. The current to the heater becomes 8. So ಮೊದಲು 4 ಇತ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿ, 60 ಇದ್ದಾಗ 4 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಐತಂದ್ರ ಇದು ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, 120 ಆಗೈತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಡಬಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, 8 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. Yes, there was some network issues. I was unable to continue with. Now suddenly, yes, sir, are you live? Okay, dear, I am alive also. I am live also. Don't worry. I am still surviving. I am live and I am alive. Okay, so yes, thank you, dear, for so much concern. And you people got scared. Something has happened to me. Yes, so much concern. Most of you are showing up. Thank you, dear. So yes, I will be yes fast. I see ಬಹಳ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಜೀವನ ಇನ್ನು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಸಯ್ಯಾರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. LBA ಐತಿ ಸರ್, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಓದಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸಾರ್ ನಾನು ತಿಳಾಕತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾರಿ. YouTube ಅಲ್ಲಿ yes, and they are giving their whole and soul for the upliftment of your studies. So all the YouTubers, those who are giving their whole and soul, so you should respect all the YouTubers. Okay, not only me, there are many hundreds of YouTubers, tens or twenties of YouTubers only from Karnataka are working day and night for the upliftment of studies. So ಬರೀ ನಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವು, ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಚಾನಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ದ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದೇರ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೀ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡತ್ತಾರಿ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಕತ್ತಾರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಪ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಜ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದ ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರಾದರ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ one or the other. That is what I can able to suggest you all in this case. Okay, now coming back to the next one. See, an electric lamp whose resistance is 20 watt and the conductor of 4 watt resistance are connected in to a 6 volt battery. Calculate total resistance of the circuit, current through the circuit and potential difference across the electric lamp and conductor. Okay, so yes, Vedant is there. Hi Vedant, Dushyant, yes sir, Ravi Basannan, our excellent dear. So now ರೇಖಾಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಡಿಯರ್. ಹೌದು ಡಿಯರ್, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಐತಿ, ನಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ಸಿ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ R1 is 20 ohm. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಮ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ R2 is 4 ohm ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. ಈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ RS is equal to R1 plus R2, 20 plus 4 is 24. The current to the resistor circuit is I is equal to V by I, 0.25 ampere. Potential difference across electric lamp V is equal to IR 5 volt. Potential difference across the conductor, it is V is equal to 4 into 0.25, it is 1 volt. Three resistors R1, R2, R3 having values 5, 10, 30 ohm are connected in parallel, which have thus been connected to 12 volt battery. Similar questions ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2020 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ. 100 joules of heat is produced. This question is ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಇವು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಣ್ಣಾಗಿ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. See, 100 joules of heat is produced each second in 4 ohm resistors. Find the potential difference across the resistor. Heat is 100 joules. The resistance is 4 ohm. Time is 1 second. H is equal to I square RT. I is equal to 5 ampere. Then V is equal to IR. Then voltage is 20 volt. Okay, so the 4 marks laws will come. How to do this? Instead of word problem 4 mark law na ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಡಿಯರ್. ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓಮ್ಸ್ ಲಾ ಬಂತು, ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, now compute the heat energy generated while transferring 96,000 coulombs of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volt. So H is equal to V into Q. First you should convert hour into seconds. 1 into 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. V is 50 volt. H is equal to V into Q, that is 46 lakh joules. Then bandwidth. Okay. Then an electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed. So heat developed ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ H is equal to I square RT. ನಮ್ಮ joules law of heating ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 15,000 joules ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. And electric bulb is connected to 220 volt generator. The current is 0.5 ampere. What is power? So power formula, ಈ power formula ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಪವರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಲಿಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Everyone should do. Then an electric refrigerator rated 400 watt operates 8 hours per day. What is the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kW? See, the total energy consumed by refrigerator in 30 days would be 96 kilowatt hour. The total cost is rupees 288. Okay, then an electric heater connected to a 220 volt generator draws a current of 10 ampere. What is the power of electric heater if it is used for 8 hours per day? calculate total cost of using it for 30 days. ಇಂಥವ್ ರುಪೀಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಬಿಲ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಬರ್ತಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2640. A wire of given resistor material having length L and area of cross section A has a resistance of 4 ohm. What would be the resistance of another wire of same material having length L by 2 and area of cross section 2A? ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, if the area increases then the resistance will decreases by 4 times, so the right answer will be 1 ohm. Okay, next one, a convex mirror that has radius of curvature 4 meter is used in a bus. If the car is located at a distance of 10 meter from the mirror, then find the image distance, find the nature and the size of the image formed. See, they have said convex mirror. Convex mirror means F is what? Positive. Then I put convex mirror, F is positive. So F positive ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, F and F is equal to R by 2. R is 4 by 2 is 2. U is always negative, the object distance is always negative. Then if you use mirror formula, 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. So that if you find, you will get the image distance is 1.66 meter and the nature of image is virtual and direct. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಕೊಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. See, the potential difference across the ends of a metallic conductor is directly proportional to the current passing through it, provided temperature remains same. R is equal to V by I ಅಥವಾ V is equal to IR. This formula you should write. Okay, so physics 12th question will come some only dear or ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Okay, yes. Next one, Joule's law of heating. For Joule's law of heating, everyone should first write the formula H is equal to I square RT. So the heat produced in the conductor, so H is what? Heat. The heat produced in the conductor is directly proportional to square of current. Heat produced is directly proportional to resistance for a given current, and the heat produced is directly proportional to the time for which the current flows through the circuit. Then state the laws of reflection. ಎರಡು ಲಾಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮಾರ್ಕಿದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ, ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್. The incident ray, the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. Then the second, the laws of refraction. The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane, and the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction for a given pair of media for a given color is always a constant. Sin I by sin R is equal to what? Constant. Then the right hand thumb rule. See, hold a current carrying conductor. Suppose assume this is a wire. Hold a current carrying state conductor in the right hand such that the thumb points towards the direction of current. Then the wrapped finger indicates the direction of magnetic field lines. Then Fleming's left hand rule. See, father, mother, children. F for father. Father is the head of the family. Thumb indicates father force. Then forefinger indicates mother magnetic field and children current. C for children, C for current indicate ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ಕೋರಿ. See, stretch the thumb, the forefinger and the middle finger such that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. If the forefinger indicates magnetic field, then the middle finger indicates if the forefinger indicates M for mother, M for magnetic field, C for children, C for current, direction of current, then thumb points towards the direction of what? It is the motion of conductor. Then SI units ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೋಡ್ಕೋರಿ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ is coulomb, electric current is ampere, potential difference is volt, resistance is ohm, resistivity is ohm meter. Okay, then the power watt, commercial unit of power is kilowatt hour or unit power of lens is diopter. Then what is ammeter? Remember, ammeter is a device and it is used to measure the current and it is always connected in series with the circuit. Other riti, voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference and voltmeter is always connected in parallel with the circuit. Okay, then what is resistivity? It is a property of a conductor to resist or to stop the flow of charges through it. Then what is variable resistance? A component used to regulate current without changing the voltage source is called variable resistor. Write the function of fuse. See, it protects circuits and appliances by stopping the flow of any unduly high electric current. ಯಾವುದು unduly high electric current flow ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್. ಇವನು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ಏರಿಯಾ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್, ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್. Then connecting electrical appliances in parallel is advantageous over connecting them in series. How do dear advantages site in parallel only? Why? Because in parallel circuit, when one component fails, the circuit will not be broken. Parallel circuit divides the current to electrical gadgets, and parallel circuits offers what? Low resistance. Okay, then in domestic electric circuit, electrical appliances are not connected in series, because in series if one connection component fails, then the others will not be working. It offers high resistance. Why are alloys like nichrome used in electrical heating devices? You know that this nichrome, the alloys does not burn readily at high temperature. For example, nichrome ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು alloy ಐತಿ, that will not burn readily at high temperature. Alloys of high melting point, ಅವ್ರು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಸಕ್ತ ಲೌಂಡ ಅವ್ರ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಭಾಳ ಗಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಜಲ್ದಿ ಮೆಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, then what is electric power? The rate at which electrical energy is dissipated or consumed in an electric circuit, we call it as electric power. Write 3 formulas. So you ಮೂರು formula by heart ಹೊಡಿದ್ರಿ, maximum ಬಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. That is P is equal to V into I, P is equal to I square R, and P is equal to V square by R. Then why does a compass needle gets deflected when brought near a magnet? Because of the magnetic field surrounding it. Then write the properties of the characteristics of a magnetic field lines, or list the properties of a magnetic field lines of force. See, magnetic field lines, they arise from north pole and they end at south pole outside the magnet, and the field lines are closed curves. Magnetic field lines is stronger where the field lines are crowded. Field lines never ever intersect each other. Because the magnetic field lines never ever intersect each other. Okay, so next, why don't two magnetic field lines intersect each other? Because the magnet cannot show two directions at a point. Okay, that is the reason. ಅದು ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Then explain the experiment of drawing magnetic field lines around a bar magnet with the help of compass needle. Fix question it is. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದು ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. Place a bar magnet on a white paper and mark the regions of the magnet. Place the compass needle near the north pole of the magnet. The south pole of the needle directs towards the north. Mark it with the pin. Place the compass needle near the south pole of the magnet. The north pole of the compass needle directs towards the south. Mark it with the point. It has in this way proceed step by step till you reach the south pole. Join the points marked on the paper by small curve. This curve represents what? A field line. Then explain the experiment. ಇದು ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಲೆದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬಂತು, ಅದರ ಆರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸಿ, I explain an experiment to state a current carrying a conductor experiences mechanical force when that conductor is placed in the magnetic field. So you should be able to write this. And what are the functions of earth wire? It is necessary to connect the electrical appliances having metallic body to earth wire in a domestic electric circuit. Why? How do dear? See, the metallic body of the electrical appliances are connected to earth wire. So earth wire color. So let me know in the comment section earth wire. Okay. See. So ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ earth, what is the color of earth wire? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, brain booster Pradeep sir, love from Hubballi. Yes dear, from Hubballi, a big heart to you. What is the color of the ನಮಗೆ ಕಲರ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ of the ಇದು earth wire the color ಅನ್ನು comment section ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. I am expecting the Answer. Yes, Virupakshi Heli, Dhanu, Mahadeva, green color. Excellent, dear. Chaitra Gowda gave the right answer. It is green color. See the and you know any leakage of current ಆಯ್ತು. Suppose either leak ಆಗಕತ್ತಿತ್ತು the current, so it occurs in electric appliance. Keep their potential difference same as that of earth and provides the user from the severe electric shock. Then what is solenoid? Again, it is a fixed question. Solenoid, and write the properties of solenoid. Ellaru properties of magnetic field lines ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. Magnetic solenoid addu ellaru ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕು. A coil of many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of cylinder is called solenoid. The magnetic field is very strong and uniform. What are the two methods of increasing magnetic field in a solenoid? By increasing the number of turns of the coil and by increasing the current through the solenoid. Okay, then how the solenoid can be converted electromagnet? This again electromagnet question enaitalla ellaru madlebeku. See, current carrying solenoid can be used to magnetize a piece of magnetic material like soft iron when placed inside the coil. What is the pole of the mirror? The center of reflecting surface of the mirror, we call it as pole of the mirror. The distance between the center of curvature to the of the pole of mirror. What is principal focus of the mirror? The point of principal axis at which the rays after reflection actually meet. Then what is focal length? So fast agi focal length andre yen heli. So focal length means what? What is the focal length? So let me know what is the answer for focal length yen baritiri. So yes, I am expecting now focal length. See the distance between center of mirror and the principal focus. Center of mirror ಮತ್ತು principal focus ಏನಾಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ, that distance we call it as focal length. The diameter of reflecting surface of spherical mirror is called aperture. If the focal length of the spherical mirror is 15 centimeter, find radius of curvature. It is 2 into 15. It is 30 centimeter. The radius of curvature of spherical mirror is 20. What is the focal length? Then why do we prefer convex mirror as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Now rear view mirror ಗೆ convex mirror ಯದಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಐತಿ. See, it enables the driver to see traffic behind him or her to facilitate safe driving, to have a wider field of view as they are curved outward, and thus convex mirrors enables the driver to view much larger area. The negative sign in the value of magnification indicates the image is real. So real image aitandre yen ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, it should be what magnification is negative. If magnification is positive, image is virtual. Define refractive index. It is a ratio of speed of light in air to the speed of light in medium. Then this question has come many a time. The refractive index of water, that is NW, is 1.33. What does it mean? This means that ratio of speed of light in air and to the speed of light in water is 1.33. This one you should know. Convex lenses are converging lens, whereas concave lenses are what? Diverging lenses. Then what is power of lens? The power of lens is defined as the reciprocal of focal length. This one you should know. Okay, very important is the reciprocal of focal length is what? Power of lens. This one everyone should know. Then what is power of accommodation? The ability of an eye lens to adjust its focal length accordingly as distances is called as power of accommodation. How does the human eye lens of the human eye accommodate to see nearby objects and the distance objects? See, when the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the eye lens becomes thin. This increases its focal length and the distance objects can be seen clearly. When the ciliary muscles contract, the eye lens become thicker. This decreases its focal length. The nearby objects can be seen clearly. Myopia, hypermetropia ಮತ್ತು presbyopia fix example ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. See, what is myopia? A person can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant objects distinctly. It is because of excessive curvature of eye lens. Lens ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ or elongation of eyeball. This defect can be corrected by using convex lens. Hypermetropia, or we call it as far-sightedness. Okay. So it is because of a person can see distant objects clearly. ದೂರದ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತಿ ಬಟ್ ಸಮೀಪದ ಕಾಣಿಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So the reason is focal length of the eye lens is too long and the eyeball has become what too small. This defect can be corrected using what convex lens ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then presbyopia, the power of accommodation of eye usually decreases with aging. The first cause is diminishing flexibility of eye lens, flexibility kalpambidititi, gradual weakening of eye lens. This defect can be corrected using both concave and convex lens we should do. Then what is cataract? See, the crystalline eye lens of the people at old age becomes milky and cloudy. This condition is called cataract and the near point is 25 centimeter and far point is how much? It is infinity. Similarly, dispersion of light, the splitting of light into 7 component colors, okay? Rainbow, we call it as what? It is dispersion. Name the color that bends the least and color that bends the most when the light is dispersed by prism. See, red color bends the least, whereas violet bends the most. Then why does stars twinkle? So ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. This changes the apparent position of the star. Path of the light rays coming from the stars is too far. Point size apparent position keeps changing continuously, therefore they blink. Why the planets do not twinkle? Because they are very closer to us. See, planets are much closer to the earth and the scene has extended sources. Explain the formation of rainbow. See, water droplets reflect and disperse the sunlight. They reflect internally, finally reflect it again while coming out of the water droplet. Due to the dispersion of light in this manner, the rainbow ಏನೈತಲ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Okay, like this the rainbow is formed. Then why the color of the sky is blue? When the sunlight passes through atmosphere, the fine particles in the air scatter blue color more strongly than the red color. It is because of Tyndall effect. You should be able to know this. Then danger signals are red in color because they are least scattered by fog and smoke. Then why do the sky appears dark instead of blue to an astronaut? Due to the absence of molecules, that is dust particles in air, the scattering of light does not take place. The sky appears dark in the absence of scattering. Tyndall effect ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. I hope you all are doing well. With this I'll just take a finish. Big heart to everyone. ನಾ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವು. ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ 27 out of 27 ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೊಂಡೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೋ. ಸೊ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾಳೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ the remaining part. Sir, where is your college? Vijay Kumar is telling our college is at Hubballi dear. UDAAN PU Science and Commerce College, new upcoming college is UDAAN Oxford College. So campus Hubballi alli ನೀವು ಬರೀ ಆಕ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೊಡೀರಿ. ಅದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಲೇಜು. Then 5th April 2026 ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. In order to avail the benefits, you can just WhatsApp to the number 8123426450. Our team will connect back to you, dear. Yes, thank you so much everyone for so much love and affection from all parts of Karnataka. So fast ಆಗಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅಂದಾಗಿ ಚಂದಾಗಿ ಓದಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Yes, thank you everyone. Yes, ನಾಳೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Okay, thank you.